Alam niyo kung bakit no separation of property or no prenuptial agreement yung binigay kong example sa previous video ko? Kasi tabu siya dito sa Pilipinas or hindi siya masyadong napag-uusapan. Kasi kapag napag-usapan siya before the marriage, ang magiging thinking is,
Bakit? Akala mo ba ang iniisip ko lagi is pera? Akala mo yun lang ba yung habol ko sa'yo?
I want you to understand that the goal of prenuptial agreement or separation of properties is to protect your possessions just in case your marriage fails. At nag-i-exist pa din ang separation of properties here sa Pilipinas. Based on the data, tumataas ang awareness specifically for the younger generations when it comes to separation of properties, especially if both parties have substantial assets before the marriage. I hope people will see the beauty and positive side of prenuptial agreement or separation of properties that will serve as protection to your financial interests and assets. Got real estate questions? Don't forget to leave it in the comments. I'll be posting more real estate insights, so feel free to give me a follow. This is Lance reminding you to always do smart living. See you!